What is home performance contracting? It's saving clients money by saving energy, giving them a comfortable house, a healthier house, and one that lasts longer. And then you stand out as the innovative contractor who brings it. Think about a house like your truck. Does your truck get good performance? Do you tune it up? Check the oil? Check the tires? Of course you do. Likewise, there's business tuning up your clients' homes. Just like a truck has many parts that all work together as a system, think about a house in the same way. Think about the whole house. Its many parts also act together as a system. The insulation, ventilation, windows, lighting, HVAC, and appliances should all work together. That's good home performance. Who cares? Your clients do. When their houses are not air sealed, insulated, and ventilated properly, they suffer all kinds of miseries. High energy bills, drafty rooms that are hot in the middle and cold near the walls, windows that collect condensation, musty air leaking in from the attic or crawl space. That's bad performance. So if a house is a bad performer, how do you know what to do and where to begin? It starts with a home energy audit. Just like a mechanic hooks your truck up to a diagnostic machine, a trained home energy auditor uses diagnostic tools to assess a home's performance. The auditor scientifically measures a home's performance by conducting a blower door test to discover air leaks, and uses an infrared camera to determine the cold and hot spots, and a duct blower test to find out if the ducts are leaking. And now you go to work. Once the testing is done and recommendations made, you bring on the improvements. You make your clients' homes better, safer, and more comfortable. Want to know more? You should. Home performance means business for you. Learn about home performance and educate your clients. What is home performance? It's more business. It's smart business. It's your business getting better.